Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video, we will discuss if Shiba Inu and other cryptos will explode this year. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away.
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
In reality, no one can truly predict the cryptos that could outdo the market in the next year. No one can reliably predict which cryptos will rally the most next month. To understand how hard it is to predict market direction, one needs to look at the last crypto bull run in April 2020 and peaked in May 2021. While Bitcoin pushing through the $20,000 mark, its all-time high then, was a strong indicator that bulls were coming, the coins that gave the most ROI were a surprise to many. For instance, no one could have predicted that Dogecoin, a coin that many had dismissed as a joke for years, could end up giving the ROI of 12,000%. Similarly, no one could have predicted that Shiba Inu, a meme token launched in August 2020, would give investors an ROI of 500,000% by April 2021. The same scenario is likely to play out going into 2022. Like in 2020, Bitcoin has pushed through its all-time highs of earlier 2021. That's a good enough indicator that the next bull cycle has all but started. However, like in the last bull run, there is no crystal ball to tell which penny altcoins will give the most returns. The next big winners could easily be cryptos that are not yet launched. That said, there is a technique that one can follow and easily build a portfolio of high-potential penny cryptocurrencies going into 2022. The technique can be broken down into these steps. 1. Be on the lookout for new, highly hyped projects. In most cases, getting in early is the surest way to profit in crypto and pretty much all financial markets. For instance, when it comes to stocks, early investors, usually accredited investors, are almost always guaranteed to make money once a stock goes public. In the crypto market, it's more advantageous because there are no barriers to entry, such as the requirement to be an accredited high net worth investor. Pretty much anyone can get in early on any project and ride the initial pump cycle or hold for long-term profits. Given the likelihood of the market being in a bull cycle going into 2022, getting in early on new projects is hugely advantageous. If the hype is strong enough, you could easily make 1,000 times easy by 2022. The big question now is, how do you find new projects that could be the next big thing? Well, that's pretty easy. Sites like CoinMarketCap have a segment for new project launches. Many other websites have a real-time data on new projects that are coming to the market. Bookmark such websites so that you can get live updates when new projects hit the market. However, even as you invest in new projects, you need to do it with caution. You can easily waste all your capital on worthless tokens in the quest to get in early. To minimize the chances of buying worthless tokens, most of them launched by scammers, follow the following steps. A. Look at the team behind the project. Before investing in a new cryptocurrency, look at the people behind it. Anonymous launches were cool in the past, but not anymore. Today, scammers looking to rug pull investors tend to do anonymous launches. This minimizes their risk of getting caught and being held accountable for their actions. As a rule, avoid new projects that have anonymous founders. B. Look at their marketing strategy. Let's get real for a minute. In a market with over 6,000 cryptocurrencies, there's very little chance that a new project will offer anything new. Most of them are copy-paste of each other or just offering the same services differently. In essence, the team's technical capabilities aside, you need to look at the marketing strategy. In specifics, you need to look at a team's experience with digital marketing, especially the ability to build hype on social media. If you find a strong team on this front and a good developer team behind it, you have stumbled at a potential winner. C. Look at the tokenomics. Most penny cryptocurrencies tend to have a very large supply. However, that's not the issue per se. When investing in a new crypto project, ensure that the total supply is either hard capped or decreases over time through coin burns. That plays a role in attracting new investors. And it also guarantees that the price goes up over time. It's simple demand and supply dynamics. 2. If you go with existing crypto, look at its adoption levels so far. While new projects have the most potential for high returns in 2022, you should not discount existing projects either. There are tons of old penny cryptocurrencies that rallied beyond anyone's imagination in the last crypto rally. For instance, Dogecoin is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies, yet it outperformed the market in 2020 despite being a sleeper for years. Adoption should be the #1 metric to consider if you choose to go with an existing project. That's because it shows that there is actual demand for the project. That's a good indicator that the project has intrinsic value and can easily outperform the market with a good amount of hype. 3. If you go with an existing project, look at the current price. Once you are sure that the project you are eyeing has a healthy level of adoption, the next important thing to consider is the current price. If you want a penny cryptocurrency that can give you 100 times or more, then its price should be quite low at the moment. The idea is basically to buy low and sell very high at the bull market's peak. That's not to say that a project that is gaining now cannot sustain the same going into 2022. However, for maximum ROI, it would be best to go for a project that is currently depressed in price or just trading sideways at the moment. 4. Look at where the hype is going. In most cases, penny cryptocurrencies thrive on hype more than anything else. In essence, when choosing a penny cryptocurrency for 2022, you need to consider the direction that hype is going. One way to do this is to look at social media trends and Google trends for penny cryptocurrencies. The best penny cryptocurrencies to buy in 2022 are already building up strong momentum in social circles. These are the ones that could outperform the market if Bitcoin crosses the $100,000 mark in 2022, and the broader market ends up making new highs. You can also look at upcoming news to determine where the hype will likely go in 2022. This is easy to do given that there are plenty of websites that track upcoming crypto events months ahead. Looking at 2022, is Shiba Inu price set for a massive rally? Hailed as the Doge killer, the new crypto coin has already started making new waves in the market. The creators designed it inspired by Dogecoin and experimented with decentralized, spontaneous community building. The SHIB token has reached a market capitalization of 18 billion as of writing and can probably still rocket to the upper echelons of the charts. Considering the Shiba asset price value, community support, and market cap, let us see some factors driving Shiba Inu to explode by the end of 2022 and beyond. 1. Its unstoppable growth. The developers of Shiba Inu coin introduced the token to the crypto space in August 2020. The meme cryptocurrency hails itself as one of the decentralized meme tokens that grew into a vibrant ecosystem. The price of Shiba Inu has seen exponential growth since its launch in the market. Currently, SHIB trades at 33 millionth of a cent and is expected to soar higher in the coming days. Along with its growth since issuance, the price of SHIB surged by almost 2,000% just in May and by 1,000% in October, which would raise anyone's eyebrows. Though the digital asset has seen a slight pullback over the past few days, its increasing interest from Chinese investors and limited supply would likely drive SHIB to explode tremendously soon. 2. Unique features. Shiba Inu has several significant features that make it more than just a joke cryptocurrency. Often referred to as the Dogecoin killer by its community, the token aims to become a viable alternative to the same, as it can outpace the value of Dogecoin without ever crossing the 1 cent value. SHIB is hosted on the Ethereum blockchain and thus is an efficient ERC20 token. The coin developers have mentioned in their white paper, hilariously named the Wolf paper, that the Ethereum blockchain makes SHIB a secure and well-established decentralized currency in the market. The coin also has strong support by a large community of coin holders who vigorously promote and support the coin on social media like Twitter and Reddit. Yet another unique feature of this digital asset's growth is that it has been listed on several famous crypto exchanges like Binance, Huobi, FTX, and etc. As per recent announcements, Binance's Indian crypto exchange will list SHIB token, and the token will also be listed in the Binance Innovation Zone. This news has spurred further interest in SHIB on multiple social media channels. 3. Why is Shiba Inu going to explode in 2022 to 2026? This new meme cryptocurrency has been drawing attention from the investors across the globe. Several experts and analysts predict the price range of SHIB for the coming years. According to Trading Beast, the Shiba Inu coin price can rise to 72 millionths of a cent by the end of 2024. Wallet Investor predicts that the price of SHIB will increase to 96 millionths of a cent within a year and 336 millionths of a cent within 5 years, making it a viable investment option for investors. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.